Okay, I'm back, guys. So let me show you, jump right in and show you what I picked up this time on my trip to the Dollar Tree. So first thing I got was this Assured Refresh Foot Soap Epsom Salt. This is the spearmint and menthol scented. It's relief for tired feet from standing, running, and overexertion. Rejuvenates and restores, soothe minor aches and pains. So I picked this up, and this is a 16-ounce bag. And then I saw, I bought this before. This is the 2-piece wine stoppers. And they work well. You don't have to worry about trying to put the cork back in there. And this is a Greenbrier product. So got that. And then I saw these again, the Yes 2. And this is the Yes 2 Coconut Ultra Hydrating for Dry Skin Moisturizing Sleeping Mask. I'm trying to not have such a glare so you could see what's going on. Put my light down some. There we go. Then I got the Yes 2 Cotton Protects and Minimizes Irritation Comforting Paper Mask. So I picked that one up. And then I picked up another pair of these one size Sophie pantyhose. They're pretty nice. You just have to be careful not to get it snagged up on anything because they will tear easy. It says one size day sheer, reinforced toe. So this is, I'm not sure what color this is. I can't tell. It's like a brownish black. And then my husband, when he works outside, he's always talking about his hands getting cold. So I saw this one pack and I picked them up. And this is the Hot Hands hand warmers. You get 2 hand warmers. It's ready to use, air activated, safe, natural heat up to 10 hours. So that way I can keep them outside longer. I was really happy to find this. I've seen other people haul these. This is the Pond's Pure Detox Facial Foam. And this is, looks like 3.5 ounces. So you can always use something to wash your face. So I picked up 4 of these. So this would last quite a while. But if I decide to use something else on my face, these make great little gifts. So that was a good find. Because like I told you, my store is never, hardly ever has anything new. So I was surprised they had the Ponds. They probably don't have any more now because I think they get 1 box of something new, and then when it's gone, it's gone. That store don't get anything else. Oh, I did pick me up, and I can put them on now. Actually, I am going to keep these in my purse today. Well, maybe not these. But anyway, I got me another pair of reading glasses. You see these? Look at the side. Oh, you can't see it on that side. But can you see the pattern on that side? I think it's pretty. So I picked those up. I'll leave them on for a minute. I might need something to read. I picked up because I know stuff get picked over quickly as Valentine's Day get closer. So I picked up a Valentine's Day card for my husband, which I will probably misplace before then. Because I did that with, I bought my grandson a Halloween card. I didn't give it to him because forgot I bought it and didn't know where it was. But now I know where it is. But by the time Halloween come back, I won't remember. But anyway, that's bad, isn't it? No, well, we always got stuff to do. So this, I hadn't, even the lady at the store said she hadn't seen this before. And I thought it was super cute. And I only got one. But look, little chicken. Or is it a rooster? I don't know, but it's cute. It's a rooster because it's got the cone. But I thought that was cute. And it matches my kitchen. And this, I had not seen it before, but I don't think it's new. But I thought it would look good in my kitchen as like on a plate stand. So it's just a little shelf, and it's a cutting board, but I won't use it for that. I mean, what can you really cut on there? Maybe a piece of fruit. But it looks like he's either got spaghetti or pancakes. It's probably spaghetti because he's probably an Italian chef. So I thought that was cute. And then I got this, hopefully I won't forget to give it to her, my grandson's teacher. It's just a little Happy Valentine's Day. And this is the solid milk chocolate by Whitman's. And look, it's got Snoopy on there. And on the back, it's got a to and a from. So he could put her name on there. So I got that. And let's see. I got more than I should have. I picked up a Brim's snack. Remember I was complaining last video that the snacks was on the chintzy side. This is Life is So Delicious. This is the cheese balls. And this is a 9-ounce bag. I thought that was a good size bag for $1. Can't beat that. So I picked that up. And let's see what else. I got a couple cleaning items. I got to clean my bathroom this weekend. So I got this bathroom cleaner, 13 ounce. I guess it's supposed to be similar to Scrubbing Bubbles. So I got that. And then I picked up another bottle of this LA's Totally Awesome. This stuff is totally awesome. If you've not tried it, you have got to try it. It gets grease off stuff and dirt. It is wonderful. Now, I had about to run out of dish detergent, so they had this for 25% free. So this is like a 12.5 or 12.6 fluid ounce. Look, why don't I just put on my glasses, y'all? This is 12.6 fluid ounces, raspberry coconut. I can't tell that I smell coconut, but this will work. It's the Palmolive. So I got that. In the last bag, before I got to go, I take these little 81 milligram of aspirin. So you get 60 in the pack for $1. Can't beat that. And then I saw this. Somebody else hauled this. This is something else they had new in my store. So I picked up 2. It's the 24 drops of citrus. It's Ricola herbal immunity supplement, supports the immune system, helps fight fatigue. Ginseng plus vitamin C, B6, and B12. So I picked up 2 of those. So I'm going to be taking one of these with me today to work. Leave it in my drawer there for it to dry up. I saw these were cute. Creamy mints and pure chocolate. It's the heart-shaped junior mints, and it's a 3.5 ounce box. So I thought that was cute. I may give that away to somebody. And then I saw this ribbon, and I like that with the black and white polka dots. I figured I could use that for something. And I'm going to be redoing my closet, and so I saw this, and it says Hello World, and it's a jumbo sticker, wall sticker. So it has the pretty roses on there, and the hello is in gold. And I had bought another sticker before, but I ended up giving it away as a little last minute Christmas gift. But that is all I picked up on this trip. I'll be back shortly. I'm sure I'll be back at the store, and I will show you what I get on the next one. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.